video, we are going to learn product of algebraic expressions. How can we multiply two algebraic expressions? Different types of algebraic expressions we have studied. Monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. According to the number of terms in an algebraic expression, we have classified it into four: monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomials. So this, how can we multiply two monomials or two binomials or two trinomials or two polynomials, or a monomial and a binomial, or a monomial and a trinomial, monomial and a polynomial? So these all we are going to study here. Product of algebraic expressions. Okay, first let's see how can we multiply two monomials. What is by a monomial? An algebraic expression consists of only one term, is called a monomial. How can we multiply two monomials? Suppose two monomials we want to multiply. 2x square into 4xy square. 2x square into 4xy square. 2x square is a monomial. 4xy square is also a monomial. We want to multiply these two monomials. So two rules are there to multiply these two monomials. That is, first one is multiply the coefficients of each term together and multiply the variables of the algebraic expression or monomials together with the laws of exponents, that is p raised to m into p raised to n is equal to p raised to m plus n. Using the law of exponent, we will multiply the variables of the monomials. That is, here it is x square into the same variables only we can multiply like that. X, then next y is not here, then here y square is here, so that we will write last. Now multiply the coefficients 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8 into x raised to 2 into x. Here we can use the law of exponent, p raised to m into p raised to n is equal to p raised to m plus n. The exponents and powers, we have studied this formula. P raised to m into p raised to n is equal to p raised to m plus n. So x raised to 2 into x is equal to, what is answer? X raised to 2 into x is equal to x, nothing is there power, that means its power is 1. So what will come answer? X raised to 2 plus 1. So here it will come x raised to 2 into x is equal to x raised to 2 plus 1 into y raised to 2. That is equal to 8 x raised to 2 plus 1 3 into y raised to 2, that is y square. So 8x cube y square, that is the answer. 2x square into 4xy square. Numbers you multiply, that is coefficients of the monomials, first you will multiply. After that, variables of the monomials we will multiply by using the laws of exponent, that is p raised to m into p raised to n is equal to p raised to m plus n. Now one more example I will show you. 5x square y into 6 by 15 x y square, x y square, or x square y square. How can we multiply this? Coefficients you multiply first, that is 5 into 6 by 15, 5 into 6 by 15 into, after that you see the variables, then that is here x square is here into, here also x square is here into, here it is y into, here it is y square. Then that is equal to 5 divided by 15 we can cancel. 5 3s are 15. 6 divided by 3, that is equal to 2. 3 2s are 6. So the number is 2 here into x square into x square, that is x raised to, it is of the form p raised to m into p raised to n is equal to, what is the formula? P raised to m plus n. P raised to m into p raised to n is equal to p raised to m plus n, that is x raised to 2 plus 2 into y into y raised to 2. It is also in the form p raised to m into p raised to n, that is y raised to 1. If there is no power, then its power is 1, and y raised to 2, that is equal to y raised to 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, that is equal to 2 into x raised to 2 plus 2, that is 4, y raised to 1 plus 2, that is 3. So 2x raised to 4, y raised to 3. That is the answer. So this way we will multiply two monomials. Now next one, how can we multiply a monomial with a polynomial? A monomial with a polynomial. A monomial with a polynomial. Polynomial means in that we can consider a monomial with a binomial, or a monomial with a trinomial, or a monomial with a polynomial. Anyone we can do by the same method, by using the distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Suppose P into Q plus R. Just imagine P is a monomial and Q plus R is a binomial. P is a monomial and Q plus R is a binomial. Then we have to use the distributive property of multiplication over addition. That we have studied in the first chapter, distributive property of multiplication over addition. P into Q plus R is equal to, how can we multiply that? P into Q plus, here it is plus sign, then plus P into R. P into R. If it is P into Q minus R, then what will come answer? Q minus R. Here we will use the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. P into Q minus R is equal to P into Q minus P into R. P into Q minus P into R. So this way we will multiply algebraic expression also. Same way we will multiply. Whether it is a binomial or a trinomial. If it is a trinomial, suppose if it is a trinomial, P into Q plus R plus S. How can we multiply that? P into Q plus P into R plus P into S. This monomial we have to multiply to each term of the trinomial. That much only here multiplication. I will show you an example. Suppose an example. 3x square into 4x plus 5x cube. 3x square, it is a monomial. It has only one term. It is a monomial. 4x plus 5x square is a binomial. How can we multiply here? 3x square into 4x, 3x square into 4x. After that, what is the sign here? Plus 3x square into 5x cube. 3x square into 5x cube. After that, how to multiply two monomials we have studied first. Then first we will multiply the coefficients. After that, variables we will multiply. So here it will come 3 into 4 into x square into x plus, here it is 3 into 5 into x square into x cube. Then that is equal to 3 4s are 12 into x square into x, 2 plus 1 will come, plus 3 5s are 15 into x square into x cube, x raised to 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3. That is equal to 12 x raised to 2 plus 1, that is 3, plus 15 x raised to 2 plus 3, that is 5. So 12 x cube plus 15 x raised to 5. That is the answer. So this way we can multiply a monomial by a binomial, or a monomial by a trinomial, or a monomial by a polynomial also. We can multiply the same way. With that monomial, multiply to every term of that binomial or trinomial or polynomial, you will get the answer. Now next one is, how can we multiply a binomial into a binomial, or a binomial into a trinomial, or binomial into a polynomial, or a trinomial into a trinomial? Or we will multiply same way only. We have to multiply each term of the first binomial or a trinomial to the every term of the second binomial or trinomial. I will give you an example only. That is here, suppose first one 2x plus 3y into 5x square plus 6y square. Here we are going to multiply two binomials. 2x plus 3y is a binomial. 5x square plus 6y square is also a binomial. How can we multiply this? Every term of the first binomial into each term of the second binomial we have to multiply. That is the process here. So here it will come like this. first term of the first binomial, that is 2x, into, we will multiply the second binomial, that is 5x square plus 6y square. After that, second term of the first binomial plus 3y into, we will multiply the second binomial, that is 5x square plus 6y square. Now you see, now it become monomial into a binomial. That already we have studied how to multiply a monomial into a binomial, and here also a monomial into a binomial only. Now multiply this monomial into a binomial. How to multiply that? Monomial into first term of the binomial. After that, what is the sign here that you have to write? Monomial into second term of the binomial. Then it will come 2x into 5x square plus second one 2x into 6y square plus, here it is 3y into 5x square, first term of the binomial. After that, plus into plus, it will come plus monomial 3y into second term of the binomial, that is 6y square. Now multiply these two monomials by multiplying the coefficients of the monomials first, that is 2 into 5 into x into x square in plus second monomial into monomial 2 into 6 into x into y square plus 3 into 5 into y into x square plus 3 into 6 into y into y square. Then that is equal to 2 5s are 10 into x raised to, you see exponents, loss of exponents, that is here it is power 1, so it will come x raised to 1 into x raised to 2 is equal to x raised to 1 plus 2 plus 6 2s are 12 x y square. Here we cannot add this x and y, so that we will write as it is x y square plus next one 3 5s are 15 y into x square, that we can write x square y plus 6 3s are 18 into y square, y power is 1, so it will come 1 plus 2. Now we will get the answer, that is equal to 10 x raised to 1 plus 2, that is 3 plus 12 x y square plus 15 x square y plus 18 y raised to 1 plus 2, that is 3. That is the answer. So this way we can multiply a binomial into a binomial. Two binomials we can multiply by this method. Now next one, how can we multiply a binomial into a trinomial? A binomial into a trinomial. X plus 3y is a binomial into a trinomial. How can we multiply trinomial? That we are going to study here. So I am going to write a trinomial here. Suppose it is 2x square plus 4y plus 8. That will be 8. That is a trinomial. Now multiply this one. First term of the binomial into a trinomial you have to multiply. That is 2x into trinomial. It should be inside the bracket. 2x square plus 4y plus 8. After that, second term of the first binomial into the trinomial you have to multiply. That is plus, here it is plus 3y into trinomial. That is 2x square plus 4y plus 8. Now multiply this. Now this one already we have studied. How to multiply a monomial into a trinomial. Monomial into each term of that trinomial we have to multiply, that much only. That is equal to 2x into 2x square, 2x into 4y, 2x into 8. Here also same, 3y into 2x square, 3y into 4y, 3y into 8. That we have to multiply. Now multiply 2x into first term 2x square. After that side plus 2x into 4y. 2x into 4y plus again one more time is here 2x into 8, 2x into 8 plus here it is 3y into 2x square plus 3y into 4y sign you have to see. If it is a minus sign, then minus into plus it will become minus. But here both it is positive, plus into plus it will become plus. So 3y into 4y, 3y into 4y, plus next one, plus into plus it will become plus 3y into 8, 3y into 8. Now multiply. Now all the terms it become a monomial into a monomial. Direct also we can multiply here. 2 2's are 4 into x square, x raised to 1 plus 2, that is 3, plus 2 4's are 8 x y, plus 2 8's are 16x, plus 3 2's are 6 y into x square. X we will write first, that is x square y, plus 3 4's are 12 y into y square, plus 3 8's are 24 y only there. So that is the answer here. So this way we can multiply a binomial into a trinomial. The same way we can multiply a binomial into a polynomial, or a binomial into a trinomial, or a trinomial into a polynomial. The same way we will multiply all the algebraic expressions. So now let's start the next exercise, that is exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2, question number 1. Find the product of the following expressions. We have to find out the product of the following expressions. First question, it is given only this monomials only, how to multiply the monomials. Question number A, it is an easy question only, that you can do it by yourself, and I will show you question number B. 11 minus 11 by 3 x cube y raised to 4 into 28 divided by 33 x raised to minus 2 y raised to 3. First we have to multiply the coefficients of the monomials. Here coefficient is minus 11 by 3 minus 11 by 3 into second monomial coefficient is 28 divided by 33. 28 divided by 33 into next x we have to multiply. Here it is x cube into next one is x raised to minus 2 into y it is here y raised to 4 into y raised to 3, that is equal to 11 divided by 33. We can cancel that. 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33. Then again we cannot cancel 28 divided by 3, we cannot cancel that. Minus 1 into 28, minus into plus, minus 1 into 28, 28 divided by 3 into 3, 3 threes are 9, into x raised to 3 into x raised to minus 2. We have to use the laws of exponents, that is p raised to m into p raised to n is equal to p raised to m plus n, that is 3 plus minus 2 here, into y raised to 4 into y raised to 3. There also we have to use the laws of exponents. P raised to, it is of the form p raised to m into p raised to n is equal to p raised to m plus n, then here it will come 4 plus 3. That is equal to minus 28 divided by 9 into x raised to 3 plus minus 2. One number is positive, one is negative. Subtracting the numbers and putting largest number sign. 3 minus 2 is 1 and the largest number sign is plus, so it will come plus 1 into y raised to 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. That is equal to minus 28 divided by 9. X raised to 1 means that is x only. X y raised to 7. That is the answer. Now let's see question number 2. Okay, see the question. Multiply minus 36 x square y, 7 by 24 x y square and 8 by 3. Then we have to verify the product for x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 1. First we will multiply that. Minus 36 x square y into 7 by 24 x y square into 8 by 3 is equal to, multiply all the coefficients. Here first monomial coefficient is minus 36 into second monomial coefficient is 7 by 24, 7 divided by 24 into third one it is 8 divided by 3 into next x terms. In the first monomial x square is there into second monomial x is there into third monomial x it is not there. Next we will write y. In the first monomial y is there into second monomial y square. Now multiply that. While multiplying the numbers, you see that we can cancel this one. 36 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. 8 divided by 2, 4 twos are 8. That is equal to, here minus sign is there, minus into plus, it will come minus only. So minus 1 into 7, 7, 7 fours are 28 into x square into x raised to 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 into y raised to 2, y raised to 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. That is equal to minus 28 x raised to 2 plus 1, 3, y raised to 1 plus 2, that is also 3. So that is the product, minus 28 x cube y cube. Now we have to verify the product for x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 1. How can we verify that? For verifying that, we have to substitute the value of x and y in the left hand side and right hand side. If we are getting the answer both sides equal, then our product is correct. So first we will check left hand side. First we will write the left hand side. LHS is equal to, what is the left hand side here? Minus 36 x square y into 7 by 24 xy square into 8 by 3. Substitute values of x and y here. Minus 36 into x value is minus 2. So x square means it will come minus 2 square into y value is 1. So y is equal to 1 into 7 by 24 into x is equal to minus 2 into y square. Y is equal to 1. So it will come 1 square into 8 divided by 3. That is equal to minus 36 into minus 2 square. Minus 2 is multiplied 2 times. Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4 into 1 into 7 by 24. 7 divided by 24 into minus 2 into 1 square, that is 1 into 8 divided by 3. That is equal to, now here we can cancel this one. 36 divided by 24. Both we can divide it by 3. Then just divide it by 3. 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Then here it will come 8 3s are 24. Then again 4 divided by 8 we can cancel. It will come 2. Then 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Then again 6 divided by 3 we can cancel. That is 3 2s are 6. Now numbers all you write. Here it is minus 2 into, here it is 7 into minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2 into, here it is 8. Now multiply all, that is equal to minus into plus minus into minus, it will become plus, into plus it will become plus. Here only 2 minus sign, minus into minus it will become plus. 2 7s are 14 into 2 8s are 16. Now multiply that. 14 into 16. What is the answer? 14 into 16. 6 4s are 24 4. Remainder 2. 6 1s are 6 plus 2 8. 4 1s are 4. 1 1s are 1 4. 8 plus 4 12 2 remainder 1. 1 plus 1 2. 224. So left hand side we got 224. Now we will see the right hand side. After that you have to write right hand side. What is the right hand side? What we got the product? Minus 28 x cube y cube. Minus 28 x cube y cube. Substitute value here. That is equal to minus 28 into x cube. X value is minus 2. Minus 2 cube into y cube. Y is equal to 1. So y cube it will come 1 cube. That is equal to minus 28 into minus 2 cube. Minus 2 is multiplying 3 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4 into minus 2 plus into minus minus 4 2s are 8. So it will come minus 8 into 1 cube. 1 into 1 into 1. What is the answer? 1. Now multiply minus 28 into minus 8 into 1. Minus into minus, it will become plus. 28 into 1. 28 into 8. 8 8s are 64 4. Remainder 6. 8 2s are 16 plus 6 22. 28 into 8 we got 224. Into 1 is equal to what we get answer? 224. So here left hand side we got 224 and right hand side also we got 224. Therefore we can write left hand side is equal to right hand side and verify. That means our product is correct. Then next question, question number 3. Find the expressions for the area of a rectangle whose length and breadth are denoted by the following expressions. Find the expressions for the area of a rectangle. Find the expressions for the area of a rectangle whose length and breadth it is given here. Whose length and breadth are denoted by the following expressions. That is, length and breadth it is given here. Length is equal to, we can take 3x plus 4y, and breadth is equal to 5x minus 2y. We want to find the expressions for the area of rectangle. That means we want to find out the area of this rectangle. Its length is 3x plus 4y and breadth is 5x minus 2y. And here I wrote question number C, A and B monomial only. That monomial directly multiply, then you will get the answer. But here it is binomial, that is why I wrote this question. See this question. First we will take it as length and breadth. Let length is equal to 3x plus 4y and breadth is equal to 5x minus 2y. Therefore, we want to find out area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to, what is the formula? Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. That means we have to multiply this length and breadth. Multiply that. That is equal to 3x plus 4y into 5x minus 2y. If it is a binomial, then you have to write inside the bracket 3x plus 4y into 5x minus 2y. How can we multiply this? That is equal to first term of the first binomial into second binomial we will multiply. Then second term of the first binomial into second binomial. That means it will come like this. 3x into second binomial. 5x minus 2y. After that, second term of the first binomial. It is plus 4y. So here we will write plus 4y into a second binomial, that is 5x minus 2y. Now that is equal to monomial into a binomial. 3x into 5x. After that, what is the sign? Minus 3x into 2y. 3x into 5x minus 3x into 2y. 3x into 5x minus 3x into 2y. With this monomial, both the terms of the binomial you have to multiply. Then after that, plus 4y into 5x minus 2y. Here also monomial into a binomial. So monomial into both the terms you have to multiply. Plus 4y into 5x plus into minus, here it will become minus 4y into 2y. 4y into 2y. Then that is equal to, direct multiply, 3 5s are 15, x into x, that is x square, 1 plus 1, that is 2, x square will come, minus 3 2s are 6 xy, plus 4 5s are 20 y into x, that we will write xy, minus 4 2s are 8 y into y, y square, y into y, y square. Okay, one more step we can write here, that is here like terms are there that you have to add. That is 15x square, we will write as it is 15x square minus 6xy plus 20xy, minus 6xy plus 20xy. One number is negative and one is positive. Subtracting the numbers and putting largest number sign, 20 minus 6, that is 14. Largest number is 20 and its sign is plus, so it will come plus 14 xy. Last term minus 8y square. That is the area of this rectangle. Question number A and B, you do it by yourself. Now you will see question number 4. Multiply the following algebraic expressions. 3x plus 5y minus 6, 7x minus 11y plus 3, minus 2x plus 6x, minus 3x plus 5y, 4y plus 2x. Here question number up to F is there, A, B, C, D, E, F. I wrote only question number 2, two questions only here, B and C. Remaining questions you have to do it by yourself. That is easy questions only. These two questions I will explain. First question, question number B. Let's multiply this. 3x plus 5y minus 6 into 7x minus 11y plus 3 is equal to, how can we multiply this? A trinomial into a trinomial. Each term of the first trinomial into the second trinomial we have to multiply. That is 3x into 7x minus 11y plus 3 plus 5y into 7x minus 11y plus 3 minus 6 into 7x minus 11y plus 3. So first we have to write that 3x into 7x minus 11y plus 3. After that second term is plus 5y. Plus 5y into 7x minus 11y plus 3. Then last one. Minus 6 into second trinomial. Minus 6 into 7x minus 11y plus 3. Then that is equal to, multiply it now one by one. How can we multiply? A monomial into a trinomial, monomial into first term, monomial into second term, monomial into third term. All we have to multiply. So here it will come 3x into 7x minus 3x into 11y. After that sign plus 3x into 3. Next one. Plus 5y into 7x plus 5y into minus 11y plus 5y into 3 plus 5y into 7x plus into minus minus 5y into 11y plus into plus plus 5y into 3. Okay, next one. Minus 6 into 7x minus 6 into minus 11y minus 6 into 3 minus 6 into 7x minus into minus, it will become plus 6 into 11y minus into plus minus 6 into 3. Now multiply. That is equal to 3 7s are 21, x into x, x raised to 1 plus 1, that is x square will come, 1 plus 1, 2, minus 3 into 11, 33, x into y, xy, plus 3 3s are 9x, plus 5 7s are 35, y into x, that is xy we can write, minus 5 into 11, 55, y into y, y square, plus 5 3s are 15y, minus 6 7s are 42x, plus 6 into 11, 66y, minus 6 3s are 18. Now check whether like terms are there or not. If there are like terms, then we have to add or subtract. First term we will write 21x square. Again check it whether x square term is there or not. No. Now write second term, that is minus 33xy. Minus 33xy. Again xy term is there. Plus 35xy. Plus 35xy. Again xy term is there or not? No. Next one is plus 9x. Plus 9x. X term. Minus 42x. Minus 42x. Then next one is minus 55y square, minus 55y square. Here again y square term is not there. Y term is there. Plus 15y plus 66y. Last one is minus 18. Only that much. Now that is equal to 21x square minus 33xy plus 35xy, we can add it. 9x minus 42x we can subtract. 15y plus 66y we can add it. Remaining on one term only. 21x square we wrote as it is. Minus 33xy plus 35xy, they are like terms. Their variables and powers are same, xy. So they are like terms. So now we have to add these numbers. Minus 33 plus 35. One number is negative and one is positive. Subtracting the numbers and putting largest number sign. 35 minus 33, that is 2, and its largest number sign is positive, so it will come plus 2xy. Next one, plus 9x minus 42x. Plus 9x minus 42x. One number is positive, one is negative. Subtracting and putting largest number sign. 42 minus 9. 42 minus 9 is equal to, it will come 33. Largest number sign is minus, so it will come minus 33x. Then next term we will write as it is, that is minus 55y square. Now y term we can add it, both are positive, adding and putting positive sign. Plus 15 plus 66, 6 plus 5, 11 1, remainder 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 81y minus 18. That is the answer. Now let's see question number C. Okay, now we will multiply question number C. Minus 2y plus 6x into minus 2y plus 6x into minus 3x plus 5y into 4y plus 2x. Here we are going to multiply three binomials. Minus 2y plus 6x is a binomial. Minus 3x plus 5y is a binomial. 4y plus 2x is also a binomial. Then first we have to multiply two binomials, then we will get a polynomial. After that we have to multiply it with the third binomial. Anyone you can multiply. Either you multiply first two binomials or last two binomials you multiply first. Here I am going to multiply last two binomials. That is equal to, first binomial I will write as it is, that is minus 2y plus 6x into second binomial and third binomial we have to multiply inside a square bracket. How can we multiply this one? First term of the first binomial into a second binomial, that is 4y plus 2x. After that, second term of the first binomial plus 5y into a second binomial, that is 4y plus 2x. Now multiply it. That is equal to minus 2y plus 6x, that we will write as it is. After multiplying inside this square bracket, only we will multiply it with this one. Minus 3x into 4y plus 2x, that is minus 3x into 4y plus minus 3x into 2x plus 5y into 4y, 5y into 4y plus 5y into 2x, 5y into 2x. Both it will come plus. Minus 3x into 4y plus this one, minus 3x into 2x, minus 3x into 2x plus 5y into 4y plus into plus 5y into 2x. That is equal to, first binomial we will write as it is minus 2y plus 6x into minus 3x into 4y, minus into plus minus 3 4s are 12 xy plus into minus 3 2s are 6 x into x square plus 5 4s are 20 y into y square plus 5 2s are 10 y into x xy we get. Now you see any like term is there? Yes, minus 12xy plus 10xy is there. That we have to add it. So here minus 2y plus 6x we will write as it is into minus 12x plus 10y. What is answer? Minus 12x plus 10y. xy, they are like terms and numbers we have to add or subtract. Minus 12 plus 10. One number is negative, one is positive. Subtracting the numbers and putting largest number sign. So 12 minus 10 is 2 and the largest number sign is minus. So it will come minus 2xy minus 6x square plus 20y square. Now we have to multiply this binomial into trinomial. That is, first term of the binomial into trinomial we have to multiply. Minus 2xy minus 6x square plus 20y square. After that, second term of the first binomial into plus 6x into trinomial we have to multiply. Minus 2xy minus 6x square plus 20y square. Then that is equal to, now multiply one by one. Monomial into trinomial. Monomial into each term of the trinomial we have to multiply. Minus 2y into minus 2xy minus into minus plus 2y into 6x square, 2y into 6x square minus into plus minus 2y into 20y square, 2y into 20y square. So that we have multiplied. Next one, second monomial into trinomial. Multiply that. Plus into minus, it will become minus 6x into 2xy. 6x into 2xy. Next one, plus into minus, minus 6x into 6x square. 6x into 6x square. Next one, plus into plus, it will become plus 6x into 20y square. 20y square. Now multiply it. That is equal to minus into minus plus 2 2's are 4. Y into xy. X is only 1. Y into y, it will come y square plus 6 2's are 12 x square y. X square y minus 2 into 20, that is 40 y into y square y cube minus 6 2's are 12 x into x, x square y minus 6 6 are 36 x into x square x cube plus 6 into 20, 6 2's are 12, that is 120 x into y square x y square. Now we have to check whether any like terms it is there or not. Then we have to add it. Xy square it is there, 120 xy square, and after that x square y is there, and after that y cube x cube only, that is not like terms. So we have to write the like terms together. First one is 4xy square again plus 120 xy square plus 120 xy square. Then next one, plus 12 x square y plus 12 x square y minus 12 x square y minus 12 x square y. Next one is minus 40 y cube minus 40 y cube minus 36 x cube plus 12 x square y minus 12 x square y. We can cancel it. Then add it this one. 4xy square plus 120 xy square. 4 plus 120, 124 xy square. 124 xy square. Already these two like terms we have added. These two terms we have cancelled because plus 12 minus 12 it will become 0. Then what is there? Minus 40 y cube minus 40 y cube minus 36 x cube minus 36 x cube. That is the answer. Okay, dear children, write down these all the notes in your notebook. Remaining portions we will do in the next video. Thank you so much.